Hi guys, it's Serena Spence here, and I wanted to share with you my new office, which will also be the place that everyone's meeting for Venture X's Podcast 101, taught by myself. So what I'm going to do is show you a tour of this amazing co-working space. Because I am a marketer, because I have my real estate license, and I can pretty much do anything I want, I'm going to be making sure that anyone who wants to join for Venture X, contact me. I'll get you a really great rate, and we're going to set you up for success. So let me show you guys around, and I cannot wait to see you Saturday. Okay, so I'm going to start here, which is the heart of everybody's home, the kitchen. So let me show you guys this amazing kitchen. It's so nice. And this is where rush bowls will be set up on Saturday, so you guys can get some smoothie and acai bowl samples. And then we have this amazing space in the foyer. So this is exactly where you guys pull up. Now these are some of the spaces I want you guys to use for podcasting, okay? Look how nice it is. Let me show you guys some more stuff. This is what you see when you come up the escalator. Beautiful Venture X. Let's go. How beautiful this is. I love it. So you guys make sure you come out on Saturday from 11 to 1 to learn all about Podcast 101 here in the beautiful Venture X space. And now that you guys seen the upstairs space, and this is what you see as soon as you come in, let me show you some of these really cool spaces that I think are great. This is one of their smaller offices. It's not even an office, it's more like a creation pod. So if you're someone who just needs to like be secluded and chill out, like that's the place you should be. If you like silence, this is one of the amazing conference rooms. So we won't be in here because we have like 75 RSVPs. We will not be in this room, but if you have a smaller group, you can totally use this room. Now let's go up the hallway. I want to show you guys the podcast space. So join me down into this new area. The new area is where they've expanded very recently, and I'll show you guys the podcast room. So nice. So this is the podcast room. Everything was given and donated by Donald Kelly. And let's look inside. So they actually have amazing mics set up for you. You would have to bring your own computer. But when you come on Saturday, we're going to talk a little bit about how to use all of the right equipment, how to make sure you sound fabulous, and hopefully give you guys an amazing tour in person. So please come out Saturday, Podcast 101 workshop from 11 to 1 at Venture X. I'll be here. I'll be your host. It is free. We will have sponsored smoothies and acai bowls from Rush Bowls. So please come by, and I can't wait to see you then. Bye, moguls.